Dear student, welcome to my online maths class. Today I am going to explain the different parts of a circle along with the definition of circle. So, before starting, let me draw a circle. So, here I am drawing a circle. So, let it be a circle with center. Here is the center. Now, we'll discuss the different parts. Here you can write circle. Circle and its different parts. So before discussing the different parts, let me define the circle. How we can define the circle? So we can define a circle in this way. A circle is defined as the sum of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Sum of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point is called a circle. It means this fixed point is the center of the circle. So let me write it. Definition of a circle. So you can write here again circle, and you can write a circle is defined as the sum of all the points equidistant from a fixed point. So this is the definition. Along with, you can write the fixed point is called the center of the circle. So this is the definition of a circle. A circle is defined as the sum of all the points equidistant from a fixed point, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle. It means, you can see here, this is the circle, and this line is also called the circumference. So circumference is made up of infinite number of points, and these all points are equidistant, mean equal distance from this fixed point. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. Now one by one we'll discuss different terms of circle. So in a circle, first of all, if we draw a line segment from the center up to the circumference, so this is called radius. We can write here radius. So this is the radius of a circle. So we can draw many radius. So in a circle, infinite number of radius are there. Now we'll draw another line segment. So we can see that what is the property of this line segment. This line segment is starting from one point of the circumference, passing through the center of the circle up to the next point of circumference. So this is called the diameter. So we can write here diameter, and this point, as I told you, this point is called center. This point is called the center of the circle. This line is called the diameter of the circle, and that one is the radius, and there is a relation between diameter and radius. That is, diameter is equal to twice radius. 2 into radius mean diameter is double of radius, and radius is equal to half of diameter. So from here also we can see that in diameter, this diameter actually here two parts, and these two parts are 2 radius. Here one radius, here another radius. So this is diameter, center and radius. Now we'll discuss another. Suppose if we draw any line segment, that one also. So this line segment touching 2 points of the circumference. So we can draw many such line segments. These line segments are called chord of the circle. So we can write here chord, C-H-O-R-D. So this is also one chord, here also another chord, and you can see it is very clearly that the diameter is also a chord, but it is the longest chord. So in case of definition of diameter, we can write the longest chord of a circle is called the diameter, and these are also chord, but they are not mean equal to the diameter. These are smaller than diameter. So chord you can understand. Now we'll discuss another thing. Let me draw another radius. So here two radii are there. So between these two radius, this area is called the sector of a circle. So this is the sector of a circle. How can we define the sector of a circle? We can define it in this way: the area between two radii, and corresponding this part is called arc. Mean any part, suppose any part from the circumference, if we cut it, suppose any part from here also, suppose that part, if we cut it, so this mean cut out part is called the arc of a circle. So we can cut from any part of the circumference. Now how can we define the arc of a circle? We can define any part of the circumference of a circle is called the arc. So here also that one is a arc, from here to there, this is an arc. So how can we define that one also an arc? So how can we define the sector? So we can define a sector in this way: the area covered by two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of a circle. Okay, so sector finished. We can write here sector, and that part also you can write arc, ARC. So here different arcs are there, from any part we can cut it. So we finished center, then radius, then diameter, then chord, sector, arc. Now we'll define another. Suppose that one, suppose this is a chord. Now here also another type of area we are getting. So this area is called segment. So we can write here segment. So how can we define the segment? A segment is the area bounded by an arc, a chord and the corresponding arc, or we can write arc and the corresponding chord. So this area is called the segment. So here we can draw from anywhere, segment we can draw from anywhere of the circle. So segment also finished. Now we'll define another important part, and this is called that line. Suppose it is a line. Suppose if it is a line, so this line, if you see carefully, you can see that this line just touching the circle and passing away. So this line is called tangent. This line is called the tangent of the circle. So from any point we can draw the tangent, but only to remember is that the tangent should be like that. It is touching only one point of the circle, only one point of the circle, and this point is where the tangent is touched. It is called point of contact. Now we'll discuss another. So suppose if we draw a line like that, it is passing through the circle, touching two different points. So you can see carefully that this line touching two different points of the circle, this line is called secant, S-E-C-A-N-T, secant of the circle. So these are different parts. Now we'll discuss about the arc. If you see, I told you that this is one of the arc, but if we see carefully, we can see that the remaining part, mean from here up to this, mean this part also an arc. So this is called, this part is called what? This part is called major segment, major arc, and this is called minor. So let me write here minor. So this is minor arc, mean that part is minor arc and the remaining part is also an arc, and this is called major arc. In case of sector also, this is, we can write here minor sector, and the remaining part also another sector. This is called major sector. And in case of segment, you can see this part is called the segment, and this is minor segment. This is minor segment, and the remaining part also a segment, and this is major segment. Now we'll discuss the main parts, which is the circumference. This part, the line, mean we can say the boundary line. The boundary line of the circle is called the circumference. So we can write here circumference. Circumference. So this is the circumference of a circle. So these are the different parts of a circle. So I think you can understand. So one by one, suppose first you have to define the circle properly and different parts. So if there is any problem, you can comment in my video. Thank you.